Hi kids, it's Debbie here from Fountaindale Library. Today I'm going to show you how to put together the little airplane kit that you could pick up at the library. Let's get started. So if you're in to get your kit at the library, you should have your 3 clothespins, your 3 long pieces of foam, a shorter piece of foam for the tail, and a little nub kind of piece of foam for the fin on the tail. You'll have your stickers, 4 glue dots, and a brad. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I think you'd like to do is, and what you might need then is a marker and a scissors, okay? So, and you can have multicolor markers. I would use permanent markers if I were you, because otherwise it might come off in your hands. And so little ones, maybe your parents might have to do this part. So if you want to, this is totally up to you. You could color these clothespins a little bit and make them different colors. And you could, or you could use your stickers just on the regular ones. I already colored these two. And then you only have to decorate this one and this one and this one as far as your stars go, because you really won't see the other ones because it'll be on the other side. So you just add a few stars wherever you like here. I'm just going to do a couple quick here like this, and here, and here, and a couple on the very end of the tail fin here too. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I did the decorating that I want to do. You can always add a little bit more later, but this kind of gets us started. So then we're going to take our glue dots. You should have 4 of them, and 1 of our clothespins. And you're going to want your clothespin to have the wire side, oops, let me see what I do with this one. The wire side up. Yeah, here, this one. This was my airplane one. So the wire side up would be good. So you're going to want to take a glue dot and 1 of the clothespins and your decorated long piece. And what I would do is I would put the glue dot here in the middle like this, and then gauge where a half is and push it down there, okay? And then we'll do the underwing too. So you want it to line up, don't you? You want it to look parallel. So again, just take your other glue dot and put it on the clothespin and line up the ends so they're even and push down. So you can always decorate the underside if you want to. Okay, so there we go. We've got our wings, don't we? And we've got our little mouth in the front and our clipper in the back. Okay, so now we're going to do our tailpipe here, or our tail wing. And we're going to put, now you want your little tail wing to hang off a little bit because you have to put on your fin. So I'm going to put the glue dot right on the end of this, like here. And if you don't like glue dots, if you have tacky glue, that would work too, kids. And I'm going to put this on here and just leave a little bit hang off. See how that works? Just leave a little bit hang off. And then this part, you're going to need your scissors. You're just going to make a nice little slit in there. See how that is? Just a little slit. And then you just slide that onto the tail wing here, like that. Okay. So we're in pretty good shape here. We're looking like a plane, isn't it? So this next part is optional. If you'd like to do it, you can. If you don't, that's fine too. If you're littler, if you've got a littler one, maybe you don't want to do this, but this, we're going to do the propeller. So you're going to cut this piece in 3. So I cut one end off, about 1/3, and then I'm using that part to judge the other side too. And you're not going to use all of this. You're just going to use 3 pieces of it. So then you're going to cut it the long way and the long way. And then you're going to even off the edges a little bit. And you're only going to use 3 of these pieces that you cut. So if you mess up, you've got a couple more tries probably, don't you, and stuff. Okay, so then this little piece here, this brad, you're going to stick it through the first one right in the middle. Like that, okay. And then you're going to angle this other one a little bit that way. And then you're going to angle this other one. Oops. Like I said, I gave you plenty of material, so if you mess up and do it too short, you know, plenty of chances here. So that's that, okay? And then we're going to take our last glue dot. Oh goodness, what happened to it? Oh, here it is. Okay, then we're going to take our last glue dot and we're going to take it off and we're going to wrap it around the end of this brad here. And these are permanent glue dots, so they're pretty safe. And we're going to open up the ends and you're going to stick it together like that, and then you're going to push down with your fingers on that thing, so that will stick in there really great. And then we have our plane with our propeller. Okay, so then all that's left is to put it in our hanger. So you're going to take this one and you're going to open it up and you're going to attach it to the back. Like that. And then you're going to take this one and you're going to put it, and you're going to have it so it's level to the table, so push it down. And then you just have to balance your plane a little bit here then to get it sitting in there just so. You have a little bit too far front. And then it can be sitting there ready for you to play with whenever you want. So you can play with it in the hanger, or you can take it out and zoom it around the house. I hope you're going to have fun zooming your airplane around your house. See you next time. Bye-bye.